second day of the budget session, the chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, while replying the Mawkynrew MDC Martle N Mukhim's query on the total sanction to the council, informed that the total amount received as sanction included rupees 12.37 crore of rupees 14 crore, which are shares of taxes on motor vehicles for the financial year 2022-2023. At the same time, the KHADC chief informed that the council receives 60% of the total shares of the state government as collection from motor vehicles.
Numbers mentioned will part and can see the funding in our part. Secondly, the minor mistake say but also resources.
Ialamkan final. Naganuga paragraph. Naganuga act. Naganuga rules. Naganuga regulation. Nang pangimbuso ka. Nang magano ang board of IIT additional na lima agilad ito. Kalau bagaimana kalau kau cuma pakai mah ban bun ini kendang bantai atau pergi banom banom kau kalian meniru ban ini mah kita bisa orang jom kahimam kau kalau pembuktian kita pada sisi kampun jika anda ini isu manusia berarti kita cintai kita bisa pembuktian perkara bahwa jadi